What's going on? Tony here hanging out, and I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Easy Weld by Forney. Okay, mini little welder. I love it, super small. There was a couple other options. I was just checking eBay and Amazon. I needed something super quick to weld my daughter's walker because we were flying in from Japan and I couldn't fit this thing in a box. I had to cut the legs off, literally, to pack this thing to ship it from Japan. So I needed a little mini welder. Unfortunately, I have a welder up in Texas, but I'm in Hawaii right now, so I had to buy a new setup. This was basically around $260, I think I paid on Amazon. The links will be below. $260 for this. I got a $25 quick helmet. I mean, I have all this gear in Texas. I just bought it anyway. Who cares? 25 bucks. It works really well. It's auto dimming. You just put it on and boom. And then I got a $10 set of Amazon basic welding gloves. It did the job. You know what I mean? So for a little over 300 bucks, I got my whole welding kit right here. Let me give you some of the details. It's 140 amp output, 120 volt input, easy to use, no gas, portable, touch wrap, infinite voltage, and wire feed speed. So let's show you the inside of this thing. And we're also gonna have a quick little demo of me welding. So you'll just keep watching the video. You'll see some snapshots of me welding, some video clips there. But super easy to set up. I had to buy the wire separately. This is about $12, I guess. Honestly, I forgot how much I paid. It might have been like 9 to 12 bucks. I set that up super easily. We got the wire feed. Honestly, I have a Lincoln MIG welder in Texas, and this thing welds better than that. And I think I paid like $450 for that welder, like 10 years ago. This one, $260 and change. It really is an easy weld. And I'm not a welder, you know. I'm not like I don't do welding every day. I just do tacks and little beads of welds. And I was able to weld this thing out pretty good. Take a look at it here. You know, not bad. Not bad. I put some quick paint on it. We grinded it. It came out really well. I weld these 4 legs on. You'll see the clip of that. But anyway, I hope you like the overall review of the Forney Easy Weld. I like it. You know, it's a good little welder. It's smaller than my Lincoln. My Lincoln's a little taller and wider. But this, I mean, you have the wire feed speed here. You got the voltage here. And it's a super easy to use. You can see the setup here. You know, very easy to use. You can unscrew this to change your tips out. Right here, I did get a pack. It also comes with 1 extra tip here. If you use this out, take a look right over here. Okay, but I also bought a pack of 10. I didn't need to for this job, but it's a very good welder. I mean, it did the job. I was impressed. Because like I said, I'm not the best welder in the world, and if I can do it, you can probably do it as well. Good little welder. I got all the links down below. If you're watching the video on YouTube or whatever, check down below. I'll have the link to this on Amazon where I got it, the link to this, and the link to the wire and the gloves. All right, Tony here. Thanks for watching the video. Talk to you soon.